Hi, I'm Bill Curtis, Senior Fellow in the Technology Group at AMD. We'll be delivering a session this time called Natural UI, the Second User Interface Revolution.
My name is Gary Frost from AMD Java Labs, and my session is entitled AppRappy, Java's Write Once, Run Anywhere, can now include the GPU.
My name is Mauricio Breternitz. I work in the Advanced Software and Analytics group here at AMD, and we're looking at new applications and new algorithmic approach that take advantage of the Fusion architecture, which is the integration of the CPU plus the GPU.
AppRappy is a Java API so that Java developers can execute code on the GPU. Java developers are used to a certain style or patterns in their code, and most of the code that currently needs to be generated for GPUs is in a very alien style, so it's a sort of C-like style, and so this brings it back into the Java realm.
We'll be looking at ways of programming heterogeneous computing, in this case using both the CPU and the GPU. So we're describing both microarchitectural features. We'll be illustrating how the performance potential areas are in each one, and also different algorithmic approaches are better suited for one of the architectures, either the CPU or the GPU. And we also be describing the OpenCL techniques that are used to obtain this performance.
At this year's Fusion Conference, we've devoted a whole track to exploring some of the work that AMD and our partners are doing to enable new forms of computer interaction. For example, multi-touch on large screens with object interaction that feels more normal. Or free space gesture interfaces using various types of cameras, both depth cameras and the smaller cameras that we find in notebooks. Well, for developers interested in natural user interfaces, the Fusion Developer Summit is a great opportunity to interact with others working in the field and to learn about the potential for using heterogeneous computing to accelerate key algorithms such as those used in computer vision.
Well, again, the AMD Fusion is a must-attend event because, again, I'll be describing both microarchitecture. I'll also be presenting new research ideas and the directions in which we are going to obtain the benefit of the combined CPU and GPU.
I think anyone who's interested in GPU offload and the future of sort of programming, especially data parallel programming, who are not used to it, should be coming to this event because they're going to be showing the trends that are going to be occurring in the next few years. I think everyone is going to want to do this from the client side and from the server side.